Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one, we are going to learn how to make a lipid bilayer inside Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to start off by drawing a circle. So there's the ellipse tool. You can just click on it and draw a perfect circle by hitting the shift on your keyboard. After you have drawn the circle, you need to draw one straight line, and you can put some curves on it with the curvature tool. You can do it with the pen tool as well. I like the curvature tool better for this kind of work. So you're going to put a point, drag it to the left, put a point, drag it to the right, and you're going to continue this till the end of the curvature tool, to the end of the line. I'm going to first forward this. Alright, so once your curve is done, you can go to the selection tool and you can make a duplicate of this curved line that you've just drawn. So you can just hit Command C and Command F to paste on place and drag it out. And next, what you want to do is you want to flip this horizontally. So select the curve, and right over here you have flip horizontally and flip vertically. So I want to hit flip horizontally. I'm going to flip it horizontally, and I'm going to select both of them and put it somewhere over here on the circle. Next, select the circle and go to the fill, give it a color. Now you can see the two lines are protruding inside the circle. This is because the two lines are in front. The layer of the lines are in front. The circle is at the back. So you can select them and right click, go to arrange and send to back. So now that those protrusions would be hidden at the back of the circle. So this is like one unit of lipid bilayer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of that and I'm going to reduce the size, and I want the stroke length or the stroke point to be 0.5 over here. You can see fill and stroke. I'm going to change the stroke to 0.5. That is looking perfect. Now select all of it, hit Option on your keyboard or Alt if you're using a PC, and drag it down to make a duplicate. All right, and while you're dragging it down, hit the shift as well. All right, so once you've done that, you have two phospholipids, and what I want to do is I want to flip this upside down so that I have one unit of the bilayer. Okay, so select the bottom one and go to flip vertically. This will flip it vertically, and now you have one unit of the phospholipid bilayer. So select all of it and reduce the size once more. And this part is necessary because the next part that you do depends on what size the lipids are. I mean, what size your phospholipids are. So once you reduce the size, select, go to brush, and you can see this hamburger menu over here, or you can go to plus, and this will make a new brush. Hamburger menu, new brush, and you have a lot of options. The one you want is the pattern brush. Hit OK. So this is going to open, and you can see a glimpse of what your pattern is going to look like. This is okay with me. I'm gonna change this to lipid bilayer and hit OK. Okay, so this name already exists. I think this is the last one that I created. So I'm gonna say lipid bilayer V2 or version 2. So you hit OK, and there's a new brush. There's a new pattern brush created for you. Now comes the magic. You select any shape, whether it be a circle or rectangle or just a line, and draw the shape onto your artboard. So I'm drawing a line right now, and keeping the line selected, you just go and hit your pattern that you just created, and this is going to create a perfect lipid bilayer for you. You don't need to worry about anything. And the best part is yet to come. The best part is this pattern responds to whatever curves or shapes you make on the existing shape that you have. So let's say I have this line and I want to make a curve out of it. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the curvature tool, just put a point in between and pull it up a little bit, and your lipid bilayer remains the same. It does not affect the spacing or the shape or the color, anything. It keeps it exactly like that. And I'm going to show you another example. Let's select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Hit shift while you're drawing so that it is a perfect circle. And I'm going to select the circle and hit the brush once more, and you can see it's a perfect lipid bilayer. You can use this to draw a vesicle as well. So this can be a circular vesicle. Okay, so that's, my friend, how you draw a lipid bilayer like in 5 minutes.